deeply in love with each other.
O, diba? Hindi ka nga sigurado sinasayo ka na ba eh. Please, calm down!
You got it all wrong. Why would Kim flirt with me? Girlfriend ko na siya. Not that it's any of your business, but niligawan ko si Kim, sinagot niya ako, end of story. Unless, of course, you have a problem with two consenting adults who are deeply in love with each other.
So, I guess it's settled then?
Thank you for your input, Vice Chair.
Thank you, Ms. Dakanay. Excuse me, I have to take this. Hello?
Wala ko ba hindi mag